Be careful and hit your head up against the wall.
Why are you hitting your head, Miles?
Just scoot over. Here. All four. 4, 6, up. 6, up. Pick it up.
Good boy. Pick up the other piece, please.
Here we go. Where are you going? Get those toes. Play-Doh. Gold stick cracker first. Oh, you're putting a lot of strength in. Good job. And he did it the opposite way of what I was prompting. So I'm going to do it the way he did it. He took his... All done. All done. Okay, we can let mine look easy. All done. Thank you for not crying. Mwah. Go find some players. I know you want to play. I wish that I had duck feet. No more shoes. No shoes for me.
Wow, look at you, Miles.
Fishball. Nice doggy. Way to go.
What do you want to do now, Miles? I just want to let you know, a month into it, I'm very proud, very happy about your progress. I think it's great. I think you're an amazingly strong and delightful little boy that is only getting better and better every day, and we love you tremendously. Everybody does, Miles. As we head through the traffic and veer through the Kansas way, one step farther, Miles. One step farther.